You've tried everything, more courses, more books, new strategies, new indicators, and you're still stuck. The truth is your problem was never information. You know what to do. You just can't do it when money's on the line. That doesn't take years to fix. It takes one rule which you can start implementing tonight. I call it the 3-2-1 rule. 3 checks, 2 questions, 1 rule. Try it once and you will not trade the same again. You don't need a new strategy. You need to fix the trader that's running it. I've had the opportunity to work with more than 1,000 traders in 92 plus countries around the world, teaching them simple mindset shifts that have drastic effects on their trading results. Just like these 2 traders, with the new mental models that I shared with them, they were able to get payouts from prop firms. Now, if you have a particular challenge in your trading that you just can't seem to break through, I want you to comment it below. I'll offer some help. And if you resonate with my content, make sure you check out the free resource in the description below. You fix your trading when you stop trying to control the outcome and you focus on controlling the only thing you have control over, the quality of decision you make. The market will never pay you for wanting a result. In fact, the more you desire a certain outcome on the individual trade, the more you're inevitably punished by the market on trades that don't go in your favor because of unmet expectations. The market pays you for executing your edge, your process, over a large sample space. The moment you stop needing this individual trade to win is the moment you stop interfering with it. You stop pulling your stop loss back out of fear of actualizing a loss. You stop closing down the position early out of fear of losing running profit. You stop jumping into trades that aren't part of your plan out of fear of missing out. And you start being a non-reactive trader that executes on opportunities the market presents. So I said in the title of this YouTube video, you can fix your trading in 24 hours. But the truth is, you can fix your trading instantly right now by making a decision to shift out of outcome-based thinking, desiring outcomes of the individual trade, and shifting to process-based thinking. When you enter process-based thinking, you fix your trading simultaneously. So how do you start to do this? Before every trading session, you want to check in and do a 30-second state check-in. You want to factor in your sleep. You want to factor in external factors such as work and relationships that may be affecting your internal state. And prior to every trading session, you want to be grading yourself, either a green light, which allows you to trade with full risk that trading session, an orange light, which means you're not feeling your best, which means maybe sleep was off, or there are certain external stresses or factors, or the previous trading day has really got into your head. With a yellow light, you're reducing your risk by 50%. And then finally, there's a red light. If you know you're being heavily influenced by poor sleep, too much caffeine, a certain argument at work with a spouse, or a really painful previous trading day, this is your sign to not trade that particular day, to just sit on the sidelines. Even just this simple 30-second state check before every single trading session helps you build a level of self-awareness over yourself and how you react in different states. It also helps you understand what triggers you in the market and what are your unwanted and wanted states as a trader. When you build that correlation between your state and certain external factors, you can then focus on what you have full control over, which is your own decisions in that state, and you can make adjustments to your risk and your risk management to be able to manage unfavorable conditions. During your trading session, just before you're about to take a trade, a quality question. What am I trading here? Am I trading the actual setup? Has the market presented a setup that aligns with my trading plan? Or am I trading the feeling that I think I'm going to get? Am I trading the perceived outcome and the perceived reward? If it's the former, great. You take a trade that aligns with your plan. You understand that either outcome is possible. This trade could be a win or it could be a loss, but by sticking to my trading plan on this trade and on the next 100 trades, that's what's going to lead me to consistent profitability. But if you catch yourself and you know that in this particular moment, your decision is influenced by what you perceive the outcome to be or what you perceive the reward to be on that individual trade, it's then the opportunity to catch yourself in that moment and remind yourself that nobody can predict the outcome of this individual trade. So to have the expectation that you're going to get that reward on this individual trade is unrealistic, and grounding that idea is wise in that moment. But at least making those connections and having that awareness and making those correlations between I make an expectation in my mind about a perceived reward in the market, and when I do that, I tend to take trades outside of my plan. Even just that awareness in that moment is a step in the right direction. And then finally, after every trading day, after every trade, and then finally after every single trading day, to score your decisions, not the result. Was I process-based today? Did I take trades in alignment with my process? If you did, great. That's a positive score. Even if the outcome of that trade was a loss, if it was in alignment with your process, great. You could also have winning trades that you took trades that weren't part of your plan. In those situations, that's a negative score. What you're doing is you're training yourself into deviating from your plan. So having this awareness after every trading day and trading session of, did I follow my process irrespective of the result, and scoring yourself based on that, again, helps build awareness, and it helps build awareness of triggers, it helps build awareness of your internal state, and it helps you draw causalities and correlations, understanding when I'm in a certain state, I tend to perform better, I tend to be more aligned with my process, and as a result, I get better long-term results. This 3-step process works so well and it works so quickly because you're not necessarily adding anything, you're subtracting the reactive layer that's been deviating you from your plan. Remove that interference and your edge shows up immediately. Now you can either take this particular protocol, take a screenshot of it and implement it before every single trade, during every single trade, after every single trade with a piece of paper and a pen or in a Notion document, or you can download my free Bulletproof Your Trading Mindset 3.0 training, which comes with my AI-powered technology called TELA-X. This is an app, a dashboard that you get with your own personalized login, and that app and that technology runs you through this particular protocol before every session, before every trade, during every trade, and after every trade, allowing you to have a level of self-awareness that most traders don't have. When you have that awareness of your state and your triggers, you then have the power and the control to be able to go in there and address the things that need to be addressed. Otherwise, you're constantly shooting in the dark and blaming your strategy and blaming the markets, never finding the root cause and having the opportunity to address the root cause. So if you don't already have the free training and that tool, go into the description or the first comment or scan the QR code that's on your screen right now. Start implementing it and see what happens to your trading. And traders, before you click out of YouTube, I want you to watch this video that's gonna pop up on your screen next. It's a 22-minute video that summarizes 6 years of trading psychology insights for you in one video. Enjoy it.